പേര് വരണം.
ഇനി എനക്കായിരുന്നു
ഒത്തിരി പേര് വരാനുണ്ടോ?
Shall we start the meeting?
Yes.
Okay.
Good evening. Welcome to the virtual meeting of Innaville Club of Kottayam, conducted in honor of our district chairman, Innapurani Odayathan. As you know, district chairman's visit is an important event in the Innaville calendar. Ladies, I'm Ramani Koshi, your MC for this evening. A big hello and a friendly virtual hug to all of you. Kindly keep your video on and your audio muted. I hope I'm audible. Please raise your hand if I'm not. Thank you. We are part of a gigantic global village, and I'm sure you are aware that 31st October is Halloween, which denotes the end of summer and the harvest, and also the beginning of winter. Trick or treating by children usually encourages creativity, physical activity, and neighborhood engagement. Do you think this year there will be a lot of activity due to the pandemic? Well, Innaville year 2 started with trepidation, but the pandemic has not hindered our activities, as we have a proactive and energetic district chairman at the helm. She has instigated all the clubs to adjust with the surroundings and use intelligence to adapt to change. There goes our much-fitting slogan, lead the change. Before we commence our meeting, I would ask our president to do the collaring of the president herself. Now, collaring of the district chairman will be done. May I now request President Benny Philippos to call the meeting to order.
The meeting is called to order.
Thank you. It is a tradition to light a lamp first before starting any auspicious events or rituals. Light symbolizes the absence of darkness, grief, and unhappiness. May the Almighty's divine grace be spread all over us. I now request the district chairman to do the honor of lighting the lamp.
Unmute. Ramni, unmute.
Let us start the meeting with the invocation, which will be read by District International Service Organizer Pushpa Koshi.
Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all thy children. notwithstanding the differences in our culture and creeds. Endow us with a desire to serve our fellow men, remembering that we too often need help. Whenever or wherever the need for service arises, help us to be ready to serve, endeavoring to make our badge of inner wheel worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain.
Thank you, Pushpa Kushi. May I now call upon Dr. Lata Jacob for the prayer song.
തിരുനാമകീർത്തനം പാടുവാനില്ലെങ്കിൽ നാവെനിക്കെന്തിനു നാഥ അപദാനമെപ്പോഴും ആലപിച്ചില്ലെങ്കിൽ അധരങ്ങളെന്തിനു നാഥ ഈ ജീവിതം എന്തിനു നാഥ ഭൂപാളം പാടിയുണർത്തുന്ന കിളികളോടൊന്നു ചേർന്നാർത്തു പാടാം പുലരിൽ ഭൂപാളം പാടിയുണർത്തുന്ന കിളികളോടൊന്നു ചേർന്നാർത്തു പാടാം പുഴയുടെ സംഗീതം ചിറകേറ്റിയെത്തുന്ന കുളിർ കാറ്റിലലിഞ്ഞു ഞാൻ പാടാം പുഴയുടെ സംഗീതം ചിറകേറ്റിയെത്തുന്ന കുളിർ കാറ്റിലലിഞ്ഞു ഞാൻ പാടാം തിരുനാമ കീർത്തനം പാടുവാനല്ലെങ്കിൽ നാവെനിക്കെന്തിനു നാഥ അപദാനമെപ്പോഴും ആലപിച്ചില്ലെങ്കിൽ അധരങ്ങളെന്തിനു നാഥ ഈ ജീവിതം എന്തിനു നാഥ.
Thank you, Lata, for that beautiful rendition. It was both sublime and meaningful. May I request our President Fanny Philippos to deliver the welcome address now.
Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable District Chairman Mrs. Annapurni Odepan, District ISO Mrs. Pushpa Koshi, past Association President and past Innerwheel Board Director Mrs. Vimla Abraham, dignitaries present, Innerwheel sisters and friends. Today we have joined together for the most important meeting of the year, our chairman visit. From the time we started this journey together, it has been an ever learning process. We have been facing and rising up to our challenges and adapting our ways to ensure success. From day one, ma'am has been our guiding force, determined to bring success in all our endeavors of the club. She has shown her excellent leadership even in the littlest of things, such as sending the daily messages with a distinguished feature of having a hibiscus header so that we don't lose her message in the stream of text messages. I look forward to the conversations with you and getting your comments and suggestions to make our club more impactful and strong. I'm extremely proud of the work our club has accomplished in these few months, and I'm thrilled to showcase our efforts to our chairman. On behalf of Innerwheel Club Kottayam, I extend a warm and hearty welcome to you, ma'am. Lastly, I would like to acknowledge that though things had to take a different turn, given the pandemic and its consequences, I'm happy it did as it motivated us to think outside of the box and tap into opportunities we otherwise would have missed. It is our reaction to adversity, not adversity itself, that determines how our stories will develop. Moreover, the resiliency in our women brought about immense result, participation, and achievements. So without further ado, let's begin the meeting.
Thank you, President Dani, for the eupeptic welcome address. It is awesome to work with a president who is a real live wire, aggressive and committed. Next on the agenda is delivery of reports by executive committee members. Firstly, I call upon our systematic and organized secretary, Maya Cherian, to give details of the project undertaken, monthly meetings, etc.
Honorable District Chairman Annapurni Odayappan, President Dani Sarah Philippos, past International Innovil Board Director Vimla Abraham, District ISO Pushpa Koshi, and dear Innovil sisters. On July 11, 4 p.m., the new team under presidency of Dani Sarah Philippos took over the reins of Innovil Club of Kottayam for the year 2021. Dr. Usha Titus, IAS Principal Secretary with the Government of Kerala, was the guest speaker. She gave the message on friendship and service in Innovil. Our second general body and zonal meeting was held on 22nd August with Anna Chandy as guest speaker. Our second general body and zonal meeting was held on 22nd August with the eminent social psychologist, founder of Anna Chandy Association, Bangalore. She is the chairperson on the board of the Live, Love, Laugh Foundation. Our third general body meeting and virtual Onam celebration was held on 5th September, where Dr. Premila Devi gave Onam message and talked about positivity. This year, we Kottayam Innovil Club is fortunate to have past President Pushpa Koshi as District ISO. It is with pride I recollect the glittering ISO meet organized by Pushpa Koshi. Our President adhere to the theme hope, and the main areas of club's works are donation of masks to Thalthangadi Ward and Ward 16 Kottayam. Number of beneficiaries 2,000. Cost rupees 16,000. Donated masks to our COVID warriors and police officers 2,500 masks. Beneficiaries public and cost 20,000. Distribution of TVs to aid online education in times of COVID to our Innovil Happy School, 4 TV. Beneficiaries 4 families, cost rupees 8,000. Supply of newspaper and magazines every day for 30 days in a COVID camp. Beneficiaries 200, cost rupees 2,100. Honor doctors on Doctors' Day. Distribution of 10 food kits to Karil, which is Innovil adopted village, which is also a containment zone. Beneficiaries 10 families and cost rupees 8,000. Distribution of 150 kits with the children's book and biscuits to children in Karil village. Beneficiaries 150 children, cost 6,500. Distribution of masks to containment zone Karil 500 pieces. Beneficiaries 500, cost rupees 4,000. Planted tree saplings in Thalthangadi Ward and Karimattam ward. Beneficiaries public. Cost 400 rupees 400. Gave aid to 2 physically challenged kids suffering from cerebral palsy whose earnings took a hit because of the lockdown. Beneficiaries 2 children and cost rupees 10,000. Financial aid for the marriage of a girl. Beneficiaries 1 family. Cost rupees 10,000. Provided sanitary napkins to girls in Karil village while it is a containment zone. Beneficiaries 500 children. Provided 1 steel cupboard, 1 steel table, 1 steel book rack of 4 panels, 20 chairs with writing pad, whiteboard, marker, duster, books, coloring books. Dish antenna to Karil village to be kept in community hall built by Inner Wheel Club of Kottayam as an aid to them for education during lockdown. Beneficiaries a whole village. Cost supplied for the total sum of 47,560 rupees. Gave rise to Karil village 500 kilogram, that is 10 sacks. Beneficiaries Karil village and cost rupees 20,000. Children's books and biscuits worth 1,000 rupees as Independence Day gesture. Beneficiaries 120 children, cost rupees 6,000. Sponsored Onam lunch for old age home and orphanage for 112 persons. Beneficiaries 112 residents, cost rupees 5,000. Celebrated Teachers Day. Breastfeeding awareness video was circulated. Beneficiaries public, cost nil. Pamphlets distributed in Maniram, Parade, DSH and Srishrusha Hospital. Beneficiaries public, cost rupees 200. Planting of more than 50 tree saplings by members as part of Innerville Forest. Beneficiaries environment, cost rupees 3,000. Completion of 2 houses for the underprivileged. Beneficiaries 2 families, cost rupees 30,000. Provided 2 computers for a special needs school for autistic kids, cost 18,500 rupees. Celebrated Gandhi Jayanti by giving storybooks and guidebooks for Karil kids. Beneficiaries 120 kids, cost rupees 8,000. Sponsored education for 2 girl children. Beneficiaries 2 girls, cost rupees 10,000. Gave financial aid to an old lady for chemotherapy and palliative care. Beneficiaries 1 lady, rupees 4,000. Financial aid for a homeless lady to help her in having a house. Beneficiaries 1 homeless lady and rupees 40,000. Under Hope, as a community project, planted 14 gulmohars, 6 golden shower trees, and 20 fruit tree saplings. Oh, sorry. Shared awareness video on Osteoporosis Day. Under Hope, as a community project, planted 14 gulmohars, 6 golden shower trees, and 20 fruit tree saplings alongside Taltangadi Riverside Drive as part of Riverside beautification. They were planted in concrete rings, painted and our club name written on each ring as part of branding Innerville. Beneficiaries, public and environment cost 15,000. Thank you. Now I go ahead with the minutes of the third virtual general body meeting and Onam celebrations held on 5th September 2020 at 2:45 p.m. Meeting called to order. Meeting was called to order by President Dani Sarah Philippos. Invocation. Invocation was read by past President Rajani Miriam Paul. Prayer song. A soothing prayer song was sung by Nisha Rose Mitchell. Welcome. President Dani Sarah Philippos welcomed all members to the virtual Onam evening. She also welcomed the teaching faculty of the club, as the meeting was held on the Teachers' Day. President was in full praise of the effort taken by District ISO Pushpa Koshi for holding a spectacular star-studded District ISO meeting. President Dani mentioned that our club ISO Susan Deba Abraham won the first prize for patriotic song and third place for healthy menu and congratulated her. Apologies nil. Birthdays and wedding anniversaries. President greeted all members who celebrated birthdays and wedding anniversaries. CCCC report. Club Constitution and Credential Chairman, past President Salila Rajagopal informed the general body of the club that she had received a letter from the district CCC asking if the club would like to send any proposals to amend the association bylaws. She also said, in case there are any proposals, it has to be passed at the general body of the club and then sent to the district's club constitution and credential chairman. Minutes of the previous meeting. Secretary read the minutes of the previous meeting, proposed by past President Susan Deba Abraham and seconded by Miriam Mani Matthew, and the minutes was unanimously passed. Matters arising. President thanked all the members who contributed towards the charity, and to mention a few, past President Susan Deba Abraham for donating rupees 5,000 towards the treatment for a cerebral palsy patient. Vice President Miriam Mani Matthew contributed rupees 5,000 for giving Onam lunch to all the inmates of Mundagapadam Agadi Mandiram Mangan. Prema Maman Matthew for contributing Tell Me Why Kalikuduka Balrama to the children of Karil village, a packet per child. And President read out the names of members who contributed towards the flood relief prize distribution in Karil village. Past International Innerville Board Director and past Association President Vimla Abraham and President Dani inquired any suggestions or objections towards any project or event. Treasurer report. Treasurer Renuka Rajesh gave financial reports by listing out various expenditures. Reported balance, charity account, rupees 97,340. Club account, rupees 4,46,980. ISO report. In her report, past President Susan Deba Abraham lauded the splendid effort taken by District ISO Pushpa Koshi. She also encouraged members to participate in various programs and games in future events. Release of newsletter. It was a great effort by editor Dr. Anju Joseph to bring out a well-planned and designed first edition of e-bulletin, Folk News, that summarizes all activities. Introduction of chief guest. Past President Salila Rajagopal did a great introduction of chief guest, Dr. Premila Devi, outlining her qualifications, achievements, positions held, and accolades received. Guest speech by Dr. Premila Devi. In her chief guest address, Premila Devi brought out several practical aspects of life by citing her personal experiences. She outlined the very importance of dreaming while we are wide awake, and subsequently bringing a ray of hope to the less fortunate ladies of our society who had undergone unnatural and unpredicted setbacks in their life. It is the paramount importance of Innerville members to undertake and execute remedial action to bring back dreams into their lives. She said, Onam time is the time indeed, an opportunity to show our determination and commitments. Onam song. Past President Dr. Lata Jacob entertained the function with a melodious Onam song. Onam skit. Onam skit was performed by two of our veteran members, past President Sarama Joy and past President Anu Reggie Joseph. Skit was well received by one and all and became an instant hit in every household. Vote of thanks. Past President Serena John proposed the vote of thanks. President adjourned the meeting and meeting came to a close with the national anthem. Thank you. Somebody can propose.
Okay. Now we have to pass the minutes. Somebody please propose.
Sarama Joy.
Okay. Somebody please second.
Zarina second. ഞാൻ സെക്കൻഡ് ചെയ്തു പക്ഷെ കേട്ടോ എനിക്കറിയാം.
Okay, Sarina Krishna second. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, Maya, for the impeccable report. Congratulations to the dedicated team of office bearers and the Innerville members who have done a wonderful job in just few months of a very difficult period. May God guide you to continue the marvelous social work and touch many more deserving hearts. Our funds are managed scrupulously by our quiet, gentle, and highly organized treasurer, Renuka Rajesh. Renuka, can I request you now to give an account of the fund management?
Respected District Chairman, Mrs. Annapurni Odeppan, Club President, Mrs. Dani Philippos, District ISO, Mrs. Pushpa Koshi, past Association President and past International Innerville Board Director, Mrs. Vimla Abraham, and my fellow members. A short report on club administration account and charity account. During the period from July 2020 to October 2020. Regarding club administration account, we received rupees 94,000 towards membership fees as on date. Rupees 32,635 has been paid as district dues. Rupees 11,200 has been paid as installation charges to Omina Pole outdoor catering services. Closing balance is 3,84,059 rupees 99 paise. Moving on to charity account, donations received from members, rupees 72,000. Donations received from Rahme Charitable Trust, rupees 5,000. Total 77,000 received. Payments done on various charity projects, rupees 70,000. Closing balance as on date, 1,12,330 rupees 15 paise. Thank you.
Thank you, Renuka, for the second year of your service as treasurer. Let us now listen to what our smart and efficient international service organizer has to report. I would request Deepa Abraham to enlighten us on her wonderful services.
District Chairman, Mrs. Annapurni Odiyappan, President Dani Philippos, past International Interview Board Member Mrs. Vimla Abraham, District ISO Mrs. Pushpa Koshi. A report of the ISO activities of the Innerville Club of Kottayam for the year 2020-2021. Introduction letters and flags were sent to the following clubs: Innerville Club of Delhi Achievers, District 301, Innerville Club of Kottayam North, District 321, Innerville Club of Mirsapur, District 312, Innerville Club of Vagathanam, District 321, Innerville Club of Trivandrum Blossom, District 321, Innerville Club of Biswan, District 312, Innerville Club of Theni, District 321, Innerville Club of Ramnath, District 321, and Innerville Club of Nagarkoil Sagaram, District 321. Competitions taken part and prizes won. Many of our members have participated in various competitions conducted by ISOs from various districts. Given below are some of them. Conducted by Innerville Club District 309, took part in the Healthy Diet Dish and Patriotic Song Contest. Conducted by Mrs. J. Pandaveeralakshmi, Zonal Coordinator for Environment Zone Turquoise. Our members won several prizes. Go Green first prize was shared by past President Mrs. Renu Jacob and past President Mrs. Lalli Itachiria. The second prize was backed by our own President Mrs. Dani Philippos. Thanks to past President Mrs. Sarama Joy, Mrs. Salila Sharath, and District ISO past President Mrs. Pushpa Koshi for your wholehearted participation. Competition conducted by District ISO past President Mrs. Pushpa Koshi. The District ISO and Friendship Meet Lead was conducted by District ISO Mrs. Pushpa Koshi in a superlative manner on the 26th of August 2020. There was wide participation from all over the district and even from the rest of the country. The famous singer Usha Uthup was the chief guest, and a musical performance was the highlight of the meet. In connection with the meet, the Hope competition was conducted. We participated in the health and hygiene and patriotic song sections. Past President Mrs. Deepa Abraham won the first prize for the patriotic song and third prize for the health and hygiene entry. Competition conducted by ISO District 305. Our member, Mrs. Shanti Aib, has taken part in Lead the Change competition by penning a very moving poem on organ donation. And past President Dr. Lata Jacob has participated in the patriotic song competition. Our member, past President Mrs. Renu Jacob, has taken part in the health and hygiene competition by presenting a very healthy and beautiful salad. In the environment competition, Mrs. Renuka Rajesh, Mrs. Sherin Saji John, Mrs. Kuku Abraham, past President Mrs. Renu Jacob, past President Mrs. Pushpa Koshi, past President Mrs. Deepa Abraham, Mrs. Salila Sharath, Mrs. Ruby Joseph, and Dr. Reena Thomas have participated with fervor. Go Green and Save the Earth competition held by Zonal Coordinator for Environment J. Pandavira Lakshmi for EC members. District ISO Mrs. Pushpa Koshi won the first prize in the Go Green competition. Star Project. A star project is one which reaches out not only to one club, but is taken up and done by other clubs too, thus making a wide impact in our district. This year, we have taken up tree planting as the topic. We thank Innavil Club Mirzapur, Kottayam North and Vagathanam, Tuticorin Pearls and Corals, Virudunagar and Delhi Achievers for their participation thus far. And thanks to our own members, both the young and old, for your participation in our own effort to save the environment. This collage will show the dedication of the members of the Innavil Club of Kottayam. Thank you.
Deepa, it is creditable to note that you have bagged many prizes already in the competitions. Keep up the good work. Is it your charm or easiness of the competitions, Deepa? We have participants galore this year. Well, you deserve the credit. We have been fortunate to have good editors for our bulletin sports news during the past years. This year, we have Dr. Anju Joseph, who is creative, innovative, and unconventional with her unconventional ideas to bring out the e-bulletin of sports news on her own with the help of her daughter. Kudos to you, Anju. I request editor Anju Joseph to brief us before its release by the district chairman.
Thank you. Respected District Chairman Annapurni Odayappan, President Dani Sara Philippos, District ISO Pushpa Koshi, International Innavil Passport Director Vimla Abraham, and my dear fellow members. I'm happy in bringing out the second volume of our bulletin sport news during our DC's official visit. Our President, Dani, and her able team, with the help of our ever-supporting members, was able to complete many projects and serve the society during these tiring times. I humbly request our District Chairman, Annapurni Odayappan, to release our second volume of the Bulletin Sport News. Dani.
ക്യാമറ ഓഫാക്കി ഇതിൻ്റെ അകത്തും ക്യാമറ പോകില്ലേ?
Thank you, Madam. The bulletin will be circulated by WhatsApp or email by the editor. The bulletin is definitely a mark of sophisticated work. A lot of hard work was put in. Thank you, Anju. President Dani is now requested to announce the project visits by Chairman.
We have two projects as our chairman visit projects. The first one, we have donated one computer and a laptop to Rita Peshwarya Center for Autism and ABA Services, Malapalli, for giving online therapies for children with special needs on Zoom. They make PowerPoint presentations for the Zoom meeting and also data sheets for children undergoing therapies. The second one is for a homeless woman, Shobha. Her story is one that is common to the suffering of many women. Her husband died when she was very young, leaving her to fend for her two children alone. Our donation will help her to get a plot of land where she can build a house with the help of Panjayat and church.
That is awesome, Dani. A tech-savvy president for planning, execution, and presentation. You are a confident leader, Dani. We have come to the highlight of this evening. The district chairman's visit is always enjoyable, although this time it is a virtual meeting. I know the EC members must have been on pins to get their work approved by her, but at the same time, we get the thrill of having her in the midst as a chief guest in a Zoom meeting. I had the opportunity to get to know her during my tenure as club president when Anam was district editor. Her friendly demeanor has always impressed me. As a well-wisher, I am proud to see her up the ladder as DC. It is my pleasure to call upon past International Innerville Board Director and past Association President Vimla Abraham, who is well known for her efficacious stewardship on Innerville matters and valuable guidance, to officially introduce this enigmatic and talented personality, Mrs. Annapurani Odayappan.
District Chairman Annapurni Odayappan, President of the Innerville Club of Kottayam, Danny Philippos, District ISO Pushpa Koshi, and fellow members of Innerville. It is indeed a great pleasure to introduce to you a very good friend, dedicated and committed Innerville member, who literally lives by the theme, lead the change. Our district chairman, Mrs. Annapurni Odayappan, was born to Mrs. Annamale and to Mr. Annamale and Mrs. Meenakshi. She did her schooling at St. Joseph's, Trichy, and pursued a higher education at Avranshilingam College, Coimbatore, with a distinction in BA Honours. She joined Innerville as a member in the Innerville Club of Tiruchirappalli in the year 2001. She served as the club secretary of the club in the year 2002, and she was always appreciated for her efficient promptness in her work. As the club president in the year 2005-2006, her main focus being on the welfare of children, she succeeded in performing 17 bone deformity surgeries to fix minor deformities and make them normal in life. She entered the Innerville district in the year 2009 as the district editor, and with the surplus funds from the souvenir collection proceeds, she was able to construct 2 classrooms at Krishna Old Age Home, Tiruvellarai, in the name of Innerville District 321. Holding the district editor's post for the second time in the year 2015-16, she brought about the e-souvenir as an attempt to bring down the cost of printing. As the district ISO, she conducted the multi-district rally, Bandhan, and as the district treasurer in the following year, she procured the PAN card for the district. As the district secretary in the year 2018-19, the presentation of the minutes was well applauded by the association president, and was very much, she was appreciated because she followed everything according to the bylaws. She's married to late PHF Odayappan. She is blessed with 2 children, Ganapati and daughter Soundaran. and she has two grandsons, Uday and Bal. And I'm thinking if the law of our country was that of Netherlands, I'm sure Ganapati would have been inducted into Innerweal. Because as you know, this year we've started with all the virtual meetings, and I think Ganapati knows more about Innerweal than many of us. She's also an entrepreneur, and she runs a restaurant, and she also loves taking care of children and has a keen interest in child psychology. In fact, her daughter, who lives in Canada, in Alberta, she's a fashion stylist and nutrition consultant. And Annapurni, I think, is waiting for the year to go finish to join her for a long holiday. And she loves traveling, and she says that's been her main interest recently. And she's a very positive person and gives 100% by doing the best she can do. And she says that's her mantra. Her name, Annapurni, is derived from Sanskrit, meaning as the giver of food and nourishment. And let us welcome to our midst sincere, down-to-earth, hardworking, vibrant Annapurni Odiappan, because as this is a virtual year, and she's really had it tough. But I must say it was our district which was the one to have one of the first district assemblies. Lot of people took a lot of ideas from our district assemblies. I know for at least for about 4 or 5 days, both she and Ganapati could not get a wink of sleep. But she's had her fair share of troubles also, because this is one of those rare years when a new district was going to be formed without us knowing within our district. So there was a lot of hard work, lot of correspondence going up and down between association, international, within our district. There was a lot of thing, but we've come out of it at the moment. We are very happy about what's happened, and Annapurni has been at the helm of affairs and all that. I'm sure it's been a learning process, but Annapurni, you've done an excellent job, and I am extremely happy to have the pleasure to welcome you to our club. And it's always your home territory is the best place to have you. Thank you so much for being with us, and we look forward to hearing you, Annam.
Thank you, Vimla, for the most profound and fitting introduction. May I now request our district chairman to deliver her address.
Before I start off, thank you so much, ma'am, for those nice words. It really brought so much of energy so that I can work the rest of my, so much of time is there to go. And so when you said like so much of, I had tears in my eyes, I should say, because so much had happened within this 3 to 4 months. I've gone around so many things, but still by the Almighty's blessings, I think so, and very good people around me, like all of you, I'm able to move ahead. And thank you so much, ma'am. It's an honor to be introduced by you. Thank you so much. So the President, Dani, Sarah Philippos, District ISO, Pushpa Koshi, past International Innerweal Board Director and past Association President Vimla Abraham, Secretary Maya Cherian, Treasurer Renuka Rajesh, ISO Susan Deepa, Editor Dr. Anju, Club CCC Salila Rajagopal, the Zonal Association Project Coordinator, immediate past President Sonia George, and all the members of Innerweal Club of Kottayam. A pleasant evening to all of you. So this year we started off with this pandemic here. During April, we were all with great trepidation, I should say, and many of the presidents said, like, why they should take this post, at least they should do it the next year. But ours is a international service organization, and I decided that we have to carry it out, whatever may come or whatever may go. Even other DCs, other district chairmen were not willing to have it because they were losing that celebrity and that pomp and that celebrity there. But I said, okay, I have to, it has all been 7 years into the district and we have to move. This is destined to me, and then I should go ahead with the whatever comes to me. So it is then I started encouraging all the presidents who were really depressed as I was. So I just started encouraging them. And way back in April, we started off the president's group, and Dani was there. Like every day we used to as she said, at about 11 o'clock, I used to give them some message on Inner Wheel. And there were many of them who said, okay, now this lady has started off giving her work. So they just used to give an attendance thumbs up. And as the bunking classes, they used to go away. But as slowly it happened that everybody grooved into that attendance thing, and they started off. So even when I was busy with the assembly, even I didn't notice that everybody used to give their attendance every day. So what I learned from that was, anything done every day, that will become a practice. So so this was a practice which I created during that time, and I succeeded in that. And after that, all the presidents, there was no looking back. After the assembly was over, nobody called me, at least. Everybody started working on their own. And the installations, all of you know, it was all running about our district. Everywhere we were running the first few months, with so much of installations and so many people attending everything. So that itself was the success for me, with all the presidents putting in their best efforts. And Dani is a very alert person, I should say. Every time she will call and clear her doubts, and so many things, very attentive to. So it was nice working with her, and I always told them, anytime you can call me. So even at 12 and 1, I was awake, because I know it was the most difficult time, that all the people, all the women were engaged with their housework, and they had to finish that, and then they have to come and sit in the computer, and then asking them to do this and that was not fair. So I was awake, and I'm always awake. So I told them, anytime you can call me. So that created a friendly bond with everybody, and I really enjoyed that. And that is how we started off with this year. Now that 3 to 4 months have gone by, all the clubs have excellently done all that. Even the projects are all done in a huger way, I should say, in a bigger sense, not in the smaller sense of doing some little bit of service. But here, everybody taking up cleaning of cleaning of water bodies, then environment, Inner Wheel forest. So this is, I was so happy about this. And that is how in your club also, there are list pages of projects being done, which would really be appreciated. And just now we finished off with the EC, and having Vimla ma'am here, for sure everything is going to be on the right, very maintained very excellently. And that is how it was. The president's file, I really admired the many things which he had kept it of the correspondence and then the projects. So it was well done. And then the secretary, only I thought there was a very young person maintaining the, was the secretary, but after seeing her, I got inspired by the way everything is maintained. So that was very nice, very nicely done by Maya Cherian. And then again to the treasurer, that was an admiration, the way the accounts were excellently maintained, that it was so, the ledger and everything was maintained so well. So it was again a Renuka, and for sure she has to win all the time the treasurer's award, I should say. So because I've never seen even the little details which was recorded in the cash book and the ledger. So that was a well done job. Then again our ISO, Susan, Deepa, that another file which has to be admired, because with so much of pictures, which really gave me so much enthusiasm and even going back to your project reports, even now by the secretary and you. So that was well done, and she has completely made the club vibrant, I feel, because so many have been participating in so many competitions, have won so many competitions, and this pandemic only made the absence of physical absence was there. But I think everybody has participated, even more, I should say, than the normal days. So there was so much of greenery and so much of articles being the participation from the club, and she has really made the club very vibrant. And it is very nice that she is the ambassador. She's surely shown that she's the ambassador of the club, with all the link clubs which he has also with other districts. So that was a well done file. And again, our editor, Anju, the first edition was there. I saw the edition and I went through, and then again she gave me another video to be taken for this, which I delayed it to very much, because I had to, you know, do that and to get that printout and all that, it was there. But going for the first page, and now I saw I have taken the video in a very simple way. But now that when it came here, it was really very nice to see. So that was a nice effort, and to bring out in another innovative way. And she has done with all the messages, the competitions, the so many articles, the articles one, everything is being brought out. And now that it's being an e-bulletin, I think we can add so many pages, and it is all done so colorful and so nicely. Surely I will go through the next issue too. So all the files were well maintained, and I should congratulate all the EC members and all of the members who have been all along with them to help that out. So congratulations to all of you, my dear friends, for that well maintenance. It is so nice to go through all the files, you know, with the computer to go through than the physical. I felt this was so very nice to see that. And then again, so the project reports, which I should say, there's so much of projects being done, and so many continuous projects which are being continued. And the speaker meetings, you all had such good speaker meetings, which is need of the hour, I should say. So much of thing to psychology, the COVID awareness, and so much of Onam message and that positivity, which is much needed this time. And then your continuous projects and so much of constructions of houses. The construction of houses is becoming so much easier for you, because I don't know, there is two constructions, and now you, as a chairman's visit, you had also decided on another plot being given to another person. So I think you have a lot of support from other organizations too. Otherwise, it's not an easy job to do such big things. And another which I really admired was the beautification of the lake banks. That was so nice to see that blue, that cemented, I don't know what, that cemented thing, and painted with the Innerville Club of Kottayam. And it costs only 700 rupees. I thought it will take so much of money, but I think that the whole lot of row, if you have it is Innerville Kottayam, I think it will be so nice to see that also beautification, that I really like that. And all your visits to old age homes and your upcoming projects which she has given, Dani, the river cleaning, which I'm insisting on everybody, whether if you can join with some other people, you can do on a bigger scale, or if it is not possible, I said any well can be taken, and just this is just employing people and giving money, that is it. So you can have it been done. So that is what, and then adding flower plants and continue beautification, providing benches. That was another thing which I saw, that providing benches. So nice to see those benches. I've seen in the photographs which was in the updated in the online directory. So all these things, it would have been nice if I had been there and taken some pictures along with all these beautification, but I really miss those things. I think I should Photoshop and do something like that and have as it a memory with me. So, and the removal of plastic and branding in Innerville, everything is being done so superbly well. So congratulations to Dani and all the members. This has to be a teamwork. One person cannot do, and I think it's a total teamwork. And so it's a congratulations to all the members. Please continue doing this. This is so nice and to serve the society. Then going about with the conference. So I started, as Vimala ma'am said, I started my tenure with this assembly. So I was so happy to have the assembly at Kottayam, and you all won't believe that 45 of our members have booked the tickets, have given the registration amount, and the 45 members from our club were there, and my whole family. They thought I'm becoming the president of some India or something like that. Even when I told them not to come, they were so eager to come. So we had booked tickets for all of them, and I was all mind free since Vimala ma'am is there. So I needn't bother about anything, like she will make it happen. And it was 3 clubs joined together, you all were supposed to do. And that was another nice thing. But destiny became like that I had to do it at my own house. So the first thing was assembly went on well, as as told, like many of them took many, so we had led the change, I should say. Somehow I didn't know that we were the first people doing the assembly, but somehow it happened, and that was a lot of encouragement for me. Then I thought the ISO meet, something will open up, but that also didn't happen. But ISO meet, district ISO, Pushpa Koshi and your own member has done a great job. And this was one of the most memorable and the most classically done, I mean, the classic way it was done, the ISO meet. And it will be so memorable. Having such a legendary singer to be with us is not an easy job. And here she made it. And only thing, I'm missing her for the next year. So that was another thing which also went virtually but worked out very successfully. Then going on to the intercity meet, that again I thought something will happen, but that also didn't happen. And again here, this was a great success than the normal days. We had so much of participation, and all of them witnessed. Around 450 members were there for around 4.5 hours. So this is all the support which the whole district has given. That is why I am a little energetic and enthusiasm to go by that. So that was another success. And here again, the conference is also going to be virtual. It is going to be on the December 5th and 6th. On 5th, we will be having the PDC's night. And on the 6th, we will have our conference. And here, again, this is, we are always having the meetings at about 3 o'clock, which is the most comfortable time. And there's no expenditure here. No, you can dress up well as you want, or you can be in your own comfortable attire, switch on your video, switch off your audio, anything. So Innerweal has come to your house now. So please do attend the conference and the PDC meet, which we will be happy. And I take this opportunity to invite Vimla ma'am and Pushpa Koshi as a personal note, invite them for the PDC night and the conference meet. So please, I expect all of you to just switch on your computers and sit in front and watch as you do your household work also. So that will be most nice for us also. The conference, soon you will be getting more details on the conference. Then I should tell about our Vimla ma'am. She's been the district advisor. And before entering the district, and even after entering the district, I would take so much of time to read this PIIWBD. It never used to get into my mouth. And I used to write that and then, you know, spell it out like what are those words. So that was how I got. And every time I used to pronounce those words on stage, I used to get scared whether I will leave out one I or one W or something like that. So that was how it was. And I have a great respect for Vimla ma'am. As she said, this year has been this year and the continuation of last year. It has been lot of problems, unexpected problems we were facing. And Vimla ma'am was there as a very comfortable person, I should say. Anything we want, like we just give her a message, she will reply. So anybody in this higher position, I don't think they will come down so much. She's so comfortable to us. And anything guiding us, and rightly said, the encyclopedia of Innerweal of our district. So it was so nice to have her and to move around with her. She made us very comfortable. And still, every other month, something or the other goes on, and she is there to guide us and supported us, all the people, all the members in the district EC. So that was so nice to have you, ma'am. And getting introduced by you is another nice thing which made me happy today. And she's a very humble person, I should say. That is what I should say through all the journey of my Innerweal, and now almost finishing this journey. I'm happy that I've associated with such a good person, not only in Innerweal, but as a friend, I should say, a very comfortable person. That's what I would like to tell. Thank you, ma'am, for that comfort zone which you give us. And again, going to Pushpa Koshi, she's another talented person of Innerweal Club of Kottayam. We expected her to move ahead, but by unfortunate thing, she's not able to. So we will really miss her, and she has done a great job, I should say. So then moving to I would like to give a positive note before I end my speech. I am a very positive person. So everybody now, this pandemic situation demands much of positiveness. So I would like to tell a few lines from an incident from Thomas Alva Edison, who was the great scientist. So when in his own young childhood days, once a teacher had given him a note from school telling him that please take it to your mother and give it, and she has to read that out. And bringing that note to his mother, she read it out with so much of tears in her eyes, telling that she read it loud as your son is so genius. He's a very genius and intelligent person, and this school is too small and we do not have such intelligent teachers to teach him. So please take him home and keep him there, and find another school and put him there where intelligent people are. So that is what she read out, and then she started teaching her own son. And one fine day she passed away, and one fine day he became the great scientist of that century. And then once he went and read, he was searching something in his cupboard, mother's cupboard, where he came to read the same letter. And that letter read that your son is a mentally deficient person and we cannot keep him here in school. And please take away, we are expelling him from the school. You take him there and give the education by yourself. So after reading this, he became very emotional and he left a note in his diary telling that this Thomas Alva Edison was the most mentally deficient person, and it was his mother who made him the most popular scientist of that century. So this is how the positivity is going on. So we have to be positive in all our thing. If she hadn't been positive, surely we would have lost a great scientist. And the positiveness always leads to so much of changes also. So when we are positive, we are always able to accept changes. And at this particular point of time, the world is changing so fast, and surely we have to equip ourselves and get accustomed to all the technology changes. Otherwise, we will be left behind, and age is not going to give us. We have to somehow run with the technology. And rightly, Beenaji has given our team as lead the change. And I think we have all led the change in some way or the other. So please be positive. Please lead the change, and always do any small thing you can do to lead the change. And then enjoy friendship, enjoy Inner Wheel, and enjoy Inner Wheel. That's what I should say. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll be honored, ma'am, if you would kindly release the raffle tickets.
Yeah, I wanted to ask actually, what are these fundraising raffle tickets?
Yeah. Should I say? Explain. Hello, ma'am. Like a fundraiser, we collect, we sell the raffle tickets among members, and members can sell it to other people also. So around 2,000 raffle tickets we sell each year. So that becomes our charity fund.
And before we do that, thank you, ma'am, for your appreciative words and advice on positivity. We, the Inner Wheel members, will heed your observations and continue to work positively. Now we'll have the raffle, please. Thank you, ma'am. Now the ladies will be up and about to raise money for our next projects. May I request now President Dani to present a memento to our district chairman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Opened it. Yes.
Oh God. Wait, what's it? Okay. That was sweet.
My whole family has become very alert now. My sister-in-law is telling, see, this is today's meeting. This gift has come. See, I have not opened. So she came and left it here now.
Okay. Yeah. I'm also waiting. Yeah. Hope you liked it. No. Wait, let's see. Let's see.
Thank you so much. Everything has been virtual and we are able to do everything. That's what, to light the lamp, to release the bulletin, to receive the gifts. So this is another experience, I think. So thanks to everyone. Thanks to all of you, Dani and all the members. Thank you so much for the love and affection.
Thank you, ma'am. You deserve it.
Okay. Our club secretary Maya Cherian is now requested to make few announcements.
Mrs. Mariam Mani Matthew was unanimously chosen as the third voting delegate for district election to be held on 3rd December. It has to be passed in the general body. Somebody can propose.
Okay,
I propose Lata Jacob.
Okay.
Second.
Salila Rajagopal.
Okay, thank you. Now, birthdays and wedding anniversaries. Birthdays and wedding anniversaries. Thank you.
Congratulations and best wishes to all who celebrated birthdays and wedding anniversaries for brighter years ahead. Sincerely hope we'll be able to wish each other in person, hug and kiss each other for our next celebration. With this, we have come to the end of the program. What a wonderful and joyful meeting we had. Dani and team deserve a big thank you for organizing this virtual meeting. I now request Vice President Mrs. Miriam Mani to convey the vote of thanks.
To kindly unmute, please. Unmute.
Unmute.
I take immense pleasure in extending our sincere thanks to Mrs. Annapurni Odeyappan, our district chairman, who has honored this function with her inspirational speech. In spite of your tedious and busy schedule, thank you so much for your appreciation and encouragement of our club. We admire your commitment to lead the change in this very difficult year. Your tireless effort to inspire everyone to follow your example, your personal touch by calling everyone personally and being available round the clock to clear difficulties of the other clubs, is all really commendable. Your attention to every detail of our activities makes us very happy. Thank you, Vimla, our past International Innerwheel board member and past association president, for giving us a vivid introduction to our district chairman with her many achievements. Vimla always has our back and is constantly giving us valuable advice. A heartfelt thanks to our team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues who know their job and are result oriented. Our gratitude to our gracious president, Dani Philippos, for her sincere and cordial welcome. A pleasant demeanor has everyone in the best of spirits, overcoming all obstacles and cooperating in these trying times. Thank you, Pushpa, our district ISO, for the invocation. Sincere thanks to Lata for her beautiful rendering of the prayer song. Big thank you for the meticulous reports put together by our office bearers, Maya, our secretary, who in spite of health setbacks has not missed out on any details. Renuka, our treasurer, who puts everything down in great accuracy. Deepa, our ISO, who is unstinting in her efforts to get maximum participation for all competitions. Anju, our editor, who has been untiring in her efforts to bring out the second issue of Spoke News on schedule. Thank you, Remni, for being master of ceremonies and giving color to the function. We offer our sincere thanks to the generous sponsors of the raffle. Thank you, Hannah Philippos and Deepa Abraham, for technical support, without which this function would not have happened. Madam Annapurni Odeyappan, we once again thank you for being with us this evening. It has been a great pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, Miriam Mani. That was splendid and encouraging with your sparkling language. President Dani may now announce the meeting adjourned, and after that, let us all stand for the national anthem.
The meeting is now adjourned.
Thank you, one and all. Enjoy the rest of the evening.
It was very nice to be here, Dani, and all of you. Only thing we missed the physical one touch, but otherwise, and the food, maybe the many salads. I remember once I had when PDC Dhanlakshmi period, I think last time I was there, and the spread which you all gave, and the Lata had with the guitar some music. She had given some entertainment, and every time I get confused with the Lata and Pushpa for a very long time, and I used to call Lata always on the phone. So I'm missing all those, those personal nice things. But anyway, at least by June, I think I will somehow come. If everything works out well, I'll come there and meet you all. That's what I
come for a good treat, come for a break to Kottayam.
Yes, ma'am. With
One
all
meeting, you should just come.
That's what I'm telling. I'm also missing. Without all these books and this inner wheel, everything, we should just close that and relax. So that's what I'm just thinking. So anyway, it was a very nice to be with all of you. And as Ramani Koshi, that was a wonderful MC with so much of explanation and so nice words. Everything that was wonderful thing. And Lata Jacob also. That, as soon as I saw you, I was reminded of that guitar performance only at that.
I wanted to see the guitar today, but yesterday onwards I had some problem with my shoulders. I abandoned the guitar today.
So always I remember you with that guitar. That is the thing. And especially skit you all were telling, no, why can't you post something on the WhatsApp group, something about the skit?
Actually, I have posted it in a YouTube channel. Innaville Club Kottayam has a YouTube.
Okay.
I'll post it. I'll send it to you, ma'am.
Okay,
or I'll forward it in our president's group, so you can.
Okay. Why you didn't mention that we are having a YouTube channel?
I'll share the link.
Okay.
Actually, Kottayam, we're always having skits. So.
Okay. Yeah, I've seen that some of the dances and skits when I was there. I've seen one or two of them. So this you have to mention that you have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, YouTube and Facebook is there.
Then you should mention in some of your reports. Only then I know that we are going to this street. I can make a list of all this, and then the association president comes, I think that so many having YouTube channels like. So please do mention. And another thing, that online directory, it's not updated. No, so many things are repeated on that.
The problem was it had some issue last 2 months. Even I tried. So Sonia was also having difficulty in updating. So I said after this meeting, we'll together update together, because now only it started working properly. The app had some issue, no?
Yes. That connectivity problem was there.
Yeah.
But now it is since 21 months since it started full swing. So now what you should do, that there are so many repetitions in that. First you delete everything, and then you can upload it. And that I wanted to tell all the members here, please go and have a look onto that online directory. So that is another step which we have taken forward, and so you can see your club projects and other projects also you can see. So please do go and see. If you want to change your pictures also, you yourself can do that. So there are so many things there. So please do that, and Dani, please update that. Only then I can have a picture of what it is.
The repetitions happened because we didn't see the result in the app. So we are together working on it, so that it will.
I uploaded all the projects, and
yes, Sonia.
I already uploaded all the projects.
Yes, there are some repetitions in that.
But some repetitions, I saw that.
Yes, and then it is old and often, no? That is, we have put it on 2 headings now, that old age and orphan education. So there will be 2 headings as old age and then orphan education. So you have to split up on those 2 and put it there. Only then when we take a review of all these things, so these things only will count at the end of the year. Like.
Okay. I correct it.
Yes, and any pictures I want, I can go and take from there. Even for the newsletter, I have not asked any of y'all. So I straight away went there when whatever was thing I have taken. Otherwise, it will be another job for y'all to send. So please do go and see that. That's another change which we made this year.
We'll do that.
Please go. So it's been a long time that all of you all are sitting. I know all of you all are tired. So we will take leave. It was nice. And surely I'm coming to Kottayam some other time and relaxing there.
Sure, definitely, ma'am, you should come.
Nice,
hosting
nice
you this
meeting.
time.
You spoke well. And since you
it's all
appreciating all our work, we were very happy, I guess.
It is all nicely done, ma'am. For this case, everyone is making an effort to do everything. So that is what I myself, I'm liking that, to see that change in that. To send all these files is not an easy job. Like you have to get somebody's help or something. It has to be done. I know how much work it involves. Like, but correctly, just 3 days before the visit, everybody gives the file. I'm so happy about that, to see that so much of change is happening there. So that's so nice, ma'am. So okay.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank
Bye.
you.
All of you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you.